Hello once again. I'm back for more examples of composition of functions. So you are expected to find composite function. As a review, we all know that composition of function is the process of obtaining a composite function. And a composite function is defined by f composed of g of x equals f of g of x, wherein our dependent function is function f and our independent function is function g. And these are the steps in finding a composite function. Okay, now let's have example number 1. Given h of x equals x squared minus 3x and g of x equals 2x plus 1. Find g composed of h of x. Now, to solve this, from the given definition, we have g composed of h of x equals g of h of x. Then we will replace h of x with x squared minus 3x. So we have g of x squared minus 3x. Then our g of x is 2x plus 1. So we have here 2x plus 1. Now we will replace x with x squared minus 3x. So we have copy 2 and then replace x with x squared minus 3x and then copy plus 1. Next, we will distribute 2 to x squared and negative 3x and then we will multiply. So we have 2 times x squared is 2x squared, 2 times negative 3x is negative 6x and then copy plus 1. So we have 2x squared minus 6x plus 1 as our final answer. Okay, let's have example number 2. Given f of x equals 2x minus 7 and g of x equals 3x squared plus 2. Find f composed of g of 3. Okay, if you notice, it's no longer a variable x, but it's a numerical coefficient 3. Now, we need to find first the composite function and then we will evaluate the composite function. So here's the solution. First, we will solve the composite function. So we have f composed of g of x equals f of g of x. Okay, so our independent function is g of x and our dependent function is f of x. Now we will replace g of x with 3x squared plus 2. So we have f of 3x squared plus 2. And then our f of x is 2x minus 7. Now we will replace or substitute x with 3x squared plus 2. So we have 2 times 3x squared plus 2 and then copy minus 7. Next, we will distribute 2 to 3x squared and to positive 2 and then multiply. So we have 2 times 3x squared is 6x squared. 2 times 2 is 4 and then copy negative 7. Simplify, we have 6x squared minus 3. Okay, so this is now the composite function. Next, we will evaluate the composite function with a numerical coefficient of 3. So we have f composed of g of 3 equals, we will just substitute x with 3. So we have 6 times 3 and then copy the exponent 2 and then copy minus 3. Next, simplify. So we have 6 times 9 It's 9 because 3 squared is 3 times 3 and that is 9, and then copy negative 3. Simplify further, we have 6 times 9 is 54 and then copy negative 3. Our final answer is 54 minus 3 is 51. Therefore, F composed of G of 3 is 51. Now it's your time to answer this practice exercise. Given f of x equals 3x plus 5 and g of x equals 2x minus 7. Find f composed of g of 2. I'll give you 3 minutes to answer this one. Okay, so here is the solution. You may now check your work.